wandering through the village of Rivalto now, and there's this little pop-up bar where people are eating things made, different things, and made with castagni or chestnuts, because it's the Chestnut Festival. So we've already gone through past a few little different stalls and things, and as you can see, people are selling their local wares, which is wonderful. There's obviously honey and chestnut things just here. We've already gone by quite a few good little stalls before, and I'll show you more as we go along. But we're really hungry and we're booked in to eat some amazing lunch, so we're really looking forward to that. But what a pretty spot. The church door is open. I haven't actually seen that there before. And this gentleman selling chestnuts out of his cellar. Maroni, €8 the kilo. And then we wander up here to the square up above. Everywhere we look, sono molto belli. Everywhere we look, there are beautiful chestnuts. People just selling their little chestnuts everywhere. And I'm just looking at the lovely views down there. And this is the old church that they have a huge restoration project on at the moment, which is lovely. And then we have someone selling their sausages and things made from wild boar. So you can just imagine. And he's also got wine, and he has, new olive oil. I bet that's nice. That looks really good. Oh, that's a big platter. So we're sitting by the pool here at the Ripodoro. I'm with Tim and Joy, and we're just eating some oil and bread and with red wine because we are starving. We can't wait to get out our lunch, which is kind of late, but anyway, that's okay. Oh my goodness, so this is my lunch, and I'm at the Chestnut Festival, so I took the dish that the young man said was the best. They're handmade porcini, mushroom tortelloni, done in a cheese fondue with chestnut leaf, which is a pastry made from chestnut, and they have fresh black truffles grated on top and hazelnuts. Now, if that does not sound like something that is going to be absolutely insanely delicious, I don't know. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, they're playing up to the drum instrument. Well, autumn is really settling into Chianni now. The leaves are changing. It's my penultimate day here. I'm so sad to leave tomorrow. Things are getting a little bit sleepier, although they're still so pretty. And the weather is amazing, as you can see. I'm still in a light linen dress, and it's almost November. So Tuscany is really showing me the best weather. Village life goes on, as you can see. We've got a building here that's having its facade done, and they've been working really hard on it in the last few weeks. It was all covered with scaffolding. On one side there's still some scaffolding, but this side is now almost complete. It's looking stunning. I love when they bring them back like that. That's what our house will look like soon. Isn't that wonderful? Oh gosh, I'm going to leave all this beautiful food, all these restaurants. But I'm off to the bank this morning just to do some last minute things. Actually, I thought I'd show you the little office of my lovely friend Elisa, who sold us our house. She has a lovely office here in Chianni itself. She has her office in Casciano Terme, and also in Chianni, and there's a couple of little wild boars in the window. But it's very lovely inside, very sweet. There's actually a couple of rooms behind for sort of private meetings, and then this is the sign that's out the front. There we go. It's my last evening here in Chianni, which is pretty sad, but I'm going to make the most of it and enjoy my evening with some of my lovely new friends. I'm just heading down now to the bar for a drink, and it's going to be a good night. But I'll try and share some of it with you. I'm so sleepy. It's my last night this time. My last night in Chianni, and I'm lying in bed, ready to go to sleep. It's been a lovely evening, a beautiful day, busy day. But I've shed a tear, I've said goodbye to some lovely new friends, and I just know I'm going to be back really, really soon. David and I want this so much to be our more permanent home, and we just feel so right about it. I'm just lying here looking at this beautiful, beautiful ceiling. Can you see that? The light reflection. I lie here and just look up at the ceiling for ages. Chianni, it's been wonderful. It's been such a privilege and an honour and such a dream come true to meet our home, to be the new custodians of this beautiful old home, and to be in this beautiful magical part of Tuscany. We're so in love with you, Chianni, and we'll be back very, very soon. Good night, buonanotte, from beautiful Chianni in Tuscany. It's been a really busy morning, obviously running about, finishing up the house, locking up things, saying goodbye to some of the shopkeepers. There's a couple sitting over there, and coming and having a last little cappuccino with a cornetto late in the morning, but I just felt like I needed to sit for a second. I hadn't really had much breakfast this morning, and just watch the passing parade while I'm waiting for my friends to pick me up. There's lovely Francesco, he's one of the brothers here. He's been so lovely. They've all been so lovely. There's lovely Rita crossing the road from the little gift shop, and people are just going about their daily lives, and I'm sitting here thinking, oh my gosh, I'm leaving this all today. Oh well, I'll be back. Let's have this beautiful last little cappuccino in Chianni. How lovely. One more little celebration before I leave, which was really totally unexpected, that my beautiful friends Sue and Fiona that are coming to collect me and take me to their place in Umbria, and then I will leave from there in a couple of days' time to fly home, said let's have lunch at your place before we leave. And I've gone down and bought some lovely fresh ravioli made by Paola down the road. She makes wonderful fresh pasta. They're bringing the wine, they're bringing the cheese, because I'd emptied up my fridge. they're bringing everything else I need. I just need to boil water, make the ravioli, pop a couple of things on top of it, and then I prop my new little tablecloth on the table. There'll be a third chair, of course. So my little kitchen will see a little farewell luncheon, which is so sweet. As I came over to the window, I looked out on this beautiful sunny autumn day, which is splendid, and there's a beautiful rose just ready to open on the rose out of my window. And I thought, what a magnificent goodbye gift to me. Thank you, Chianni. Mangiamo I ravioli freschi da Paola. Vediamo un po'. Che buoni! Grazie, Paola. Oh dear, the time has come. Just closing up all the windows and shutters. There we go. Bathroom shutter. Done. Bathroom window. Done. Then, bedroom is done. Top of hallway. Done. Arrivederci, my beautiful bedroom. I've loved being here with you so much. What beautiful times we've spent sleeping on the floor with David before he left. Just a mattress on the floor, but we were so happy. Next year you'll be sleeping in this beautiful bed with me, darling. Oh well, let's continue on with the closing up of doors and things. Bye, lovely balcony. Bye, beautiful mirrors on walls. Goodbye, my beautiful plants, my beautiful balcony, and my incredible view of Chianni. I'm going to miss you, but I'll see you next year and you'll be looking beautiful. Okay, well, all closed up. And, turn off the light now. Goodbye, beautiful lounge. I'll see you next summer. Lights out, and down we go. Now this is the hard part. This is the hard part. This is upsetting. Oh, I have to close up the beautiful. Goodbye, beautiful rose. Goodbye, beautiful courtyard. Okay. Close up the windows.
I know we are. That's why I packed the suitcase.
Okay. There goes Sue with my little bag.
That's why I packed it on the flat. So
And before I close up the door, just one more look around. My beautiful house.
Now, this is all that as well as...
Goodbye, little house. I'll see you next time. Bye, Vivasogni. I'll miss you.
Debbie's on the beach in St Julia.
Well, I'm just leaving my little house in Chianni and I'm a bit sad. I'm actually very sad and trying not to just hold it together, and there it is. But I'll be back next year for a wonderful, exciting year and so much to look forward to, and just so happy and so blessed with what's happened since we've been here. So, a molto presto, Chianni. Ti amo. Grazie per tutto. Bye, Chianni.